Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, subject botany. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 29th of July 2021, our topic will be continued as silent features of algae. Dear students, you know that in our previous lecture we have discussed the silent features of these plant group algae, and today we will continue these silent features of algae and we will see some more silent features, or we can say the general characters of this plant group algae. Now, regarding the silent features of algae, we will study today the thallus organization and reproduction in this type of plant group. Regarding the thallus organization, the vegetative structure of algae varies considerably in shape and size. That means the plant body or the vegetative structure of this plant group algae, it varies in shape and size. Some important types of these plant groups are unicellular algae, multicellular algae, and colonial algae. Dear students, as the this word suggests that unicellular algae means those algae which are made up of only one cell, multicellular algae made up of many cells, and colonial algae are those algae which form the colonies. Now, regarding the unicellular algae, the thallus of these unicellular algae consists of a single cell. So, we can say in other words that the unicellular algae are those algae in which the thallus is made up of only a single cell. This type of algae, that is unicellular algae, may be motile and non-motile. That means both the types of algae, motile as well as non-motile, are found. Motile means we show the movement, while as the non-motile means which doesn't show the movement. Now, the second type of this algae are the multicellular algae. These multicellular algae are those algae in which the thallus is made up of many cells. As I have told you that this multicellular algae thallus is made up of many cells, either in the form of colonies or filamentous. Either in the form of colonies or filamentous. Now, the third type of this thallus organization shows the colonial algae. In colonial algae, many cells are grouped together to form a colony. Many cells are grouped together to form a colony. The colony may be motile or non-motile. So, both the types of these algae are found in these colonial algae, motile as well as non-motile. So this was about the thallus organization. Now, regarding the reproduction, three types of reproduction, or the three modes of reproduction have been noted in these plant group algae. One is the vegetative reproduction, another is the asexual reproduction, and the third one is the sexual reproduction. Regarding the vegetative reproduction, this is the most common method of vegetative, or the most common method of vegetative reproduction is fragmentation. The most common method of vegetative reproduction in algae is the fragmentation. That means some algae break down into pieces, and those are called the fragments, and then each fragment develop into a new individual new algae. In BGA means blue-green algae. In blue-green algae, pieces of trichomes are called Hormogonia. Pieces of trichomes are called Hormogonia. Now, regarding the asexual mode of reproduction, it occurs by different methods. Asexual reproduction in algae occurs by different methods like the zoospores, aplanospores, palmilla stage, autospores, and akinets. These are the different types of methods by which asexual reproduction takes place. Now the third one is the sexual mode of reproduction. The sexual reproduction occurs by three methods. One is the isogamy, in which the gametes are of same size structure and they fuse to form the new type of algae. And it can occur also by anisogamy. And third one is the oogamy, in which sperm and egg fuse together to form the new algae. So these were the three methods of sexual reproduction, that is isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. So these were the silent features of these algae, and now we have completed these silent features of algae. Now in our next class, next lecture, our topic will be the classification of algae, that we will study in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah. So that till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.